So this is the property. Sunrise ang orientation niya. Ayan yung paligid niya. Pasukin natin. Garage. Kuya, kayong caretaker? Look out? Oo. Check ko lang ha. Marami bang sira, kuya? Bakit ano to? Nag-angatan yung tiles. Tinakpan. Ito yung kitchen niya. And ano to? Servant's quarter or storage. This is the parang powder room. Okay, yun yung sa garage. Ito yung back of the property niya. Ito. May isa pang CR dito. Ito yung pinaka-dirty kitchen niya. Again, this is 150 square meters ang lot area niya and 239 square meters ang floor area niya. So, akit tayo dito sa second floor. Okay, so may hallway dito. May balcony. Living area. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Kitang-kita yung mountain tsaka yung Laguna de Bay. This is around 7.7 million. And ito yung pinakabagong foreclosed dito sa may South Forbes Villas. Ito yung isang kwarto. Okay. May CR siya. And then, yung second bedroom is ito siya. Meron din siyang sariling bathroom. So, meron siyang attic. Okay, ito yung pinaka-attic niya. And meron siyang isa pang kwarto dito. Ayan. So ilan? Total of 4 bedrooms. Isa sa baba, dalawa sa second floor, and then itong attic, meron siyang isang kwarto. And total of 4 bathrooms. So, dalawa sa baba, dalawa dito sa taas. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and 80% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message me directly dahil unahan lang po tayo dito. Usually first come first serve po tayo, but if multiple offers ang ma-receive ng management, a bidding may be conducted. And most likely for this kind of property, magkakaroon po ito ng bidding. Tingin ko marami mag-o-offer po dito. Kasi ang bentahan ng mga bahay ngayon dito nasa 15 million and up. And this is around 7.7 million. Of course, may mga repairs na kailangan ayusin. Siguro abutin kayo dyan ng more or less 1 to 2 million. Kasi more on tiles lang naman siya. And I don't see any structural damage. But might as well, upon viewing, upon inspecting this property, bring your engineer or your architect para makapag-estimate sila kung magkano man ang aabuti ng incidental expenses. Okay, so this is yung kabilang side ng property. Ayan, meron siyang parang garden dito. Okay. So, This is as is where is. So again, if you're interested to make an offer, just message me directly.